Kaumagraph International proudly announces the latest addition to our line of fabric imprinters. Following 18 months of exhaustive testing at our plant in Port Elgin, Ontario, we now offer the yard good industry a new and better method of printing. This machine prints at temperatures up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and requires an air supply of 100 pounds per square inch. Warm-up time is extremely short, approximately 15 minutes. And once complete, the temperature is consistently maintained to within 2 degrees of the setting. By using up to 5 rolls of 12-inch transfer paper, this transfer printer will print onto fabrics up to 60 inches wide. Note the second transfer roll bar, which permits the preloading of print paper for faster changeover. Register bars permit adjustment of the individual rolls of transfer paper to ensure consistent alignment. Once alignment is set, there's normally no need to adjust the register bars until new paper is loaded. Since each roll of transfer paper is 500 yards long, this doesn't happen very often. A sideways registration bar allows the fabric to be easily moved laterally to ensure that it's centered on the paper. Note that our transfer process allows you to print to the very edge of the fabric. The paper moves over the heated roller while the fabric is pressed down with a rubber roller to set the print. The material shown here is Vintex, a PVC product used as a barrier to liquid penetration. Because we're printing plastic onto plastic, this is one of the most difficult printing operations we could perform with this machine. The fabric you see here is being printed at a rate of approximately 250 yards per hour. After coming through the rollers, the paper and fabric are immediately separated, with the paper going to a rewind roller and the fabric passing through a set of tension rollers before going to the rewind station. This results in smoother and more even rolls on the rewind and allows the ink to set. You'll notice that although the fabric is being printed with 5 repeats across, it's difficult to see these repeats on the finished product. The selection of designs is an important factor in minimizing this repeat effect. Designs which have irregular shapes, sizes, and placements work best. This is especially well suited for children's designs, like the one shown here. As with all our printers, color registration is determined by the high quality of transfer papers. Elaborate designs print in near-perfect registration on a wide variety of fabrics, regardless of stretch. Another cost saving for you is the initial setup cost for your design. A typical 4-color job costs $1,000 to set up, with incremental costs starting at 80 cents per yard. Application time is quite fast, and misprints are reduced as your operator's skill improves. Note that minimal training is required for the operator position. Greater flexibility provides an additional advantage as you can print small quantities of fabric with different designs. Obviously, this gives the manufacturer the ability to have a wider variety of prints than would normally be the case. Once again, Kaumagraph International is the answer to your transfer and printing needs.